Over here we have a shape and we're going to attempt to try and find out its total area. And then at the end, once we find out its area, we should be left with this expression over here. To figure out its area, we're going to split it up into two pieces. Just like this. And we're going to label this number 1 and this number 2. And then once we find out these two areas, we're going to add them up together and that should be our final result. To start off with, area number 1, we're going to do its length, x plus 1 multiplied by its width. So x plus 1 multiplied by its width, which is 4. I'm going to expand this out. We have 4 times x, which is 4x. 4 times positive 1, which is plus 4. Now we're going to go over to shape number 2. And we're going to do its length, which is 2x plus 6, multiplied by its width, which we do not know yet, because we have to be quite careful. We have the length from here is not x plus 11, but we're going to try and figure that out. We have x plus 11 is from here to here, and we want the length from here to here removed, which is the length of 4. And we can remove it by using our minus. And I can show that over here. X plus 11 minusing the 4 to be left over with our length from here to here. Now, simplifying this, we have x and 11 minus the 4, which we have as plus 7. And I'll write the x plus 7 over here to represent our width from here to here. So, to get our area, again, we're going to do our length, 2x plus 6. And I'm going to multiply that by my width, which is x plus 7, all in brackets. Expanding this out, I'll focus on the top, which is 2x multiplied by x, which is 2x squared. 2x multiplied by positive 7, which is plus 14x. And underneath, we have plus 6 multiplied by x, which is plus 6x. And finally, plus 6 multiplied by plus 7, which is plus 42. Simplifying this underneath by collecting like terms, we have 2x squared stays here, 2x squared, plus 14x plus 6x, which is plus 20x, and left over plus 42. Now we have our area for shape number 2, and we're going to combine these two together by adding them up to get our answer. So, to get our total area of the shape, A is equal to 4x plus 4, adding our second area, 2x squared plus 20x plus 42. Simplifying this underneath by collecting again like terms, we have 2x squared over here by itself. We're going to look at the x's, so we have 4x here, adding it by plus 20x, which is plus 24x, and our numbers, plus 4 and plus 42, which is plus 46. And we can see that here, the expression is here and here, and that's our final answer. Thank you for watching.